Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Robert, and in today's video I want to walk you through how to install your own RDP client in Parrot OS. This would also work for Kali Linux if it's not already in Kali Linux. The reason that I like to install my own RDP is primarily because when I get into these Windows labs on Tryhackme, I find that their RDP session in the split screen isn't very reliable. So I feel like installing your own RDP client can help you do these labs and also copy paste into the clipboard a little bit better, which when we get into the Windows labs, there's going to be a lot of information you might want to copy and paste. It is a good idea to type out a lot of commands as well so that you learn them, but I'm going to copy paste a lot. So especially when it comes to grabbing the flags out, I don't want to type those out. So what I did is I jumped into a room, just started the machine, a room that I've done, and this way I can get an IP address and the credentials so that I can test out my RDP session, make sure that it works, and then walk through the lab. To do this, what you're going to want to do is open up your terminal. And the first thing that I'm going to do to get prepared is connect to my Tryhackme VPN using openvpn. So we'll establish that connection, then I'm going to minimize that screen. Don't need that now. And install the RDP client and then test it out. Make sure that it's working, functions, and that we're good to move forward. All right, so let's get started with sudo apt update. Make sure your package manager is up to date. Good. And now we're going to install, I'm going to use for this video FreeRDP. Sudo apt install FreeRDP 3 x11. And I'm going to throw attack Y so I don't have to hit Y for the installer. Okay. Now that we have this installed, I'll go back to Tryhackme. It's important to know the IP address and then the user and password. Those are going to be important to pass through the commands as you type this out. Okay. Now that I've typed out my command, I'm going to walk you through what this is doing so that you understand. FreeRDP 3 is the client software that I'm using to connect to my session. The /v is the target IP address that I'm getting from right here. The /u command is the username, which you're going to get from Tryhackme, and then the /p is the /p is going to be this password. And then I'm using cert ignore to block out or filter out some of the certificate authority warning messages that pop up, as well as running dynamic resolution so that I can rescale, and I want to use the clipboard. And then this sec NLA, this tells FreeRDP to use the network level authentication NLA when connecting. Now I'm going to go ahead and run this command, and you'll be able to find more information in the description of this video about the commands that I ran during the video and the software that I'm using. And once that connects, now I have my RDP session, and I can go ahead and make this full screen, minimize it, etc. So I hope this helps you get started with installing your own RDP client in Parrot OS and being able to connect to the Tryhackme labs here. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.